So we're going to work on some cervical lateral flexion. So basically what we want to do is we want to think about our nose being like a pivot point upon which we rotate our head. What we want to avoid is when you see most people do lateral flexion, they'll go like this, they'll bring their ear to their shoulder, but they'll move massively or shrug when they're doing it. What we want to look at is isolated rotation, true lateral flexion, looking at this rotational movement of the head coming from the neck. So what we want to do, we want to sit upright, we want to make sure we're not leaning forward, so feet are flat, sitting back on our butt, on our sit bones. And a good way to do this is to just put one hand on the top of the head here, one hand on the chin, okay? And you want to just slowly guide it, pushing with the fingers lightly in both directions like this. And back. And thinking that we're not moving like this, we're just isolating the movement. You can see my nose, hopefully, at least, stays pretty much on the same spot, okay, as I move. Go the other way, same thing. Plenty of movement, I feel a little bit freer here, and so on. So you can do it without if you can control it, but I'd encourage that you use either your hands here or you push your cheek up and pull your cheek down on the other side to drive that movement. We don't want to force it, but it should be a really clean movement, getting plenty of movement of the cervical spine joints.